For years, I thought that money was the goal. More income, more savings, more financial security. Everything pointed back to money, and honestly, I was making progress. My income increased, my accounts grew. On paper, things looked okay, but something felt off. The more money I earned, the more I realized money itself wasn't solving the problem. The problem wasn't money, the problem was dependence. I was still trading my time for income. I still had obligations. I still needed to keep producing. Then I discovered something that completely changed my perspective. Freedom does not come from having money. Freedom comes from owning things that produce money. And that's a completely different game. One focuses on earning, the other focuses on ownership. The day I understood that difference, my decisions changed. I stopped chasing bigger paychecks. I started chasing assets. And that shift eventually allowed me to retire at age 32. So looking back, I don't regret pursuing money, but I do wish I had understood sooner that money was never the destination. It was only a tool. The destination was freedom. So if you're trying to build freedom instead of just chasing bigger paychecks, subscribe. That's exactly what this channel is about.